Do you think you know IKEA? Well, let's find out. I have sorted through 12,000 IKEA products to share 15 hidden IKEA gems that I bet you never knew you needed, but definitely do in 2024. Number 1. REA LED Strip. On to our first hidden gem. IKEA is a name synonymous with diverse lighting options, but have you stumbled upon this hidden gem, REA LED Strip? This versatile product transcends its basic function, transforming into a creative partner for enhancing your space. Unlike traditional lamps, the REA's true beauty lies in its adaptability. When tucked away inside drawers, cabinets, or bookshelves, it casts a warm glow on your belongings. It can even elevate your entertainment setup by adding a subtle touch of light behind your TV, or bring a touch of ambiance to the space under your bed. But the REA's magic doesn't stop there. By connecting it to separately sold driver and wireless dimmer, you gain effortless control, turning it on or off and adjusting the brightness to suit your mood. Number 2. KALLAX Wine Insert. Have you ever seen a KALLAX shelf transformed into a stylish wine rack? While KALLAX units are a popular storage solution in many homes, this clever insert design might be new to you. The innovative rack allows you to fit 9 wine bottles in a single KALLAX cube, making efficient use of space and adding a practical touch to your storage. Beyond its functionality, the rack boasts an attractive design that would complement various settings, whether it be your dining area, kitchen, or even your living room. Number 3. Wildhorn Wireless Motion Sensor. You will be genuinely delighted to discover the simple yet versatile tool that offers a double whammy of benefits: energy savings and enhanced home security. Imagine stepping into a dimly lit room and lights instantly illuminating your path. That's the magic of this sensor. It detects motion and automatically triggers up to 10 connected lights, while eliminating the need to fumble for switches, especially in frequently used areas like bathrooms, where lights are often left on unintentionally. But the applications extend far beyond bathrooms. This sensor can even be tucked away in your wardrobe, illuminating its content as you approach. It promotes energy efficiency, enhances convenience, and adds a touch of security, making it a true hidden gem in the IKEA world. Number 4. Branas General Storage Baskets. Boost your storage with these versatile baskets. These baskets aren't just stylish, they're storage superheroes. You can use them in cubbies, on shelves, countertops, or anywhere needing a storage boost. They're perfect for anything from toys to towels. Look no further for expensive-looking storage. These baskets mimic the style of high-end shops at a fraction of the cost. Plus, their exact dimensions mean they seamlessly fit inside larger cube shelves, replacing flimsy fabric bins with an instant upgrade. Extend the woven look to your paperwork with matching file holders. They store magazines, books, and documents and can even be displayed facing either direction for added versatility. Number 5. Skubb Wrapping Paper Organizer. The Wrapping Paper Organizer is an essential product, especially during the holiday season when wrapping paper tends to accumulate. Without proper storage, the excess paper can get damaged or clutter the home. This organizer, made from recycled polyester, offers the ideal solution. It can hold multiple rows of wrapping paper and includes 2 zippered compartments on the top cover for flat items like cards, bags, or tags. Whether placed under the bed or on top of a wardrobe, it keeps everything neat, dust-free, and easily accessible. Additionally, it can be repurposed to store linens, clothes, or shoes if wrapping supplies are no longer needed. Number 6. Declutter and Organize Storage Unit. Breathe new life into your bathroom with this versatile IKEA Declutter and Organize unit. It starts at just $9.99. This organizer boosts various compartments, which help you tame the clutter and keep small essentials in their rightful place. Its practical design not only promotes organization, but also fits seamlessly within your bathroom drawers and maximizes space utilization. The ability to lay items flat ensures you can maximize each compartment, while the stackable trays offer further storage expansion if needed. Additionally, the durable construction paired with easy cleaning makes maintaining a clutter-free and hygienic bathroom a breeze. Number 7. Illuminate Scented Hangers. Scented candles are a choice for creating a pleasant atmosphere, and IKEA offers another, potentially surprising option for achieving delightful fragrances within your home: wardrobe scents. This innovative product comes in the form of scented hangers. Not only do they boost delightful aromas around your house, but they're also incredibly budget-friendly, coming in at just $199 for a pack of 2. Using them is also a breeze. You can either hang them directly on your clothes rack or separate them and attach one to each hanger. Whichever method you choose, your wardrobe will be filled with a refreshing and long-lasting fragrance. Number 8. Splitterny Snack Container. You can now ditch the bulky, hard-to-clean containers. This $1.99 IKEA find might just be your new snacking hero. The simple and affordable snack container boosts a built-in strainer that keeps your snacks fresh and dry. Wash your fruits and veggies directly in the container, and the strainer does the magic, draining the excess water to ensure crispness. If you are packing lunches or prepping snacks for travel, this perfect on-the-go companion is ideal for road trips, plane rides, or train journeys. Throw it in your bag without worrying about soggy snacks, and its sleek design makes it TSA-friendly for easy airport security checks. But wait, there's more! This versatile container can even be your kitchen helper, with the strainer coming in handy for rinsing and draining while preparing food. So don't just store your snacks, upgrade your entire snacking experience with this ingenious and affordable IKEA find. Number 9. Silicone food containers. These innovative food containers are crafted from oven-safe glass, and they offer exceptional versatility. They can seamlessly transition from fridge to oven, allowing you to bake, reheat, and store meals all in one convenient container. This eliminates the need for multiple dishes, saving cabinet space and reducing the post-meal cleanup. But the magic lies in the silicone lids. These ingenious lids create a vacuum seal upon placement, which locks in freshness and extends the shelf life of your food. This not only minimizes food waste, but also ensures your leftovers retain their original flavor and texture. Furthermore, the silicone is dishwasher safe and reusable, making it an eco-friendly alternative to disposable plastic and aluminum foil. This not only helps you reduce your environmental footprint, but also saves money in the long run. Finally, these food containers come in a wide range of shapes and sizes, catering to different needs and portion sizes. Number 10. Workspace Desk. Unveiling a stunning new addition, a white oak finished desk that flawlessly blends style and functionality. What truly sets it apart is the sleek glass top, offering a glimpse into the hidden storage drawers beneath. Imagine easily seeing your calendar or other essentials tucked away, readily accessible yet neatly organized. This innovative feature eliminates the need for constant searching while maintaining a clean, clutter-free workspace. But the magic doesn't stop there. The desk boosts hidden storage specifically designed for managing cords. Say goodbye to your tangled wires and hello to a streamlined and aesthetically pleasing work environment. Finally, a handy hanging feature adds another layer of functionality, allowing you to personalize your space and keep frequently used items within easy reach. Number 11. Melinda Chair Cushion. Tired of uncomfortable seating? Transform any hard chair or bench in your home into a cozy haven with these handy IKEA cushions. These minimalist wonders boost a grippy underside that keeps them securely in place and eliminates the annoyance of slipping and sliding. They come in both beige and black, which offers a touch of style to complement your existing decor. For just $9.99 each, these cushions are the perfect small space solution. Use them to create instant seating areas for unexpected guests, or simply add a touch of comfort to your existing hard surfaces. The simple yet practical design allows you to easily store them away when not in use, making them an excellent choice for creating versatile seating options on demand. Number 12. Swartborgs Convex Mirror. IKEA's Convex Mirror injects personality and playful charm into your living space. It's not just about the practical function of checking your reflection. This captivating piece elevates your surroundings in countless ways. Firstly, it transforms ordinary walls into visually intriguing focal points. The curved design adds an unexpected element of depth and dimension, instantly captivating your attention. This unique aesthetic differentiates your space from the mundane, injecting a distinct character that reflects your personality. Secondly, the mirror acts as a natural conversation starter. Whether it's the distorted reflections it creates or the artistic statement it embodies, your guests will find themselves drawn to its unique charm. Finally, this mirror's captivating nature makes it the perfect backdrop for fun and creative photos. Your guests will relish capturing their unique reflections, creating lasting memories in your vibrant space. Number 13. Shoe storage. If you are short on shoe storage space, then IKEA has your answer. Forget bulky shoe racks that take up precious floor space. IKEA's adjustable shoe organizers are here to save the day. These clever organizers let you customize the height to fit different types of shoes, whether it's bulky sneakers, flat sandals, or towering heels. With 3 adjustable settings, you can finally ditch the one-size-fits-all approach and organize all your shoes in one space-saving solution. Maximize your storage by utilizing vertical space in cabinets and small areas. And the best part is that each organizer costs only $3.50, making it an affordable way to get your shoe game organized. Number 14. Drawer Insert. If you're looking to better organize your deep kitchen drawers, consider investing in a drawer insert designed to hold bowls and plates of various sizes. This insert offers great customization options similar to a pegboard, allowing you to arrange it in any way that suits your organizational needs. It efficiently stores numerous items without stacking and keeps your dishes secure and prevents them from shifting and colliding. This affordable solution enhances the custom feel of every drawer in your kitchen. Number 15. Hellar Garbage Drawer. These garbage drawers bring convenience and functionality right under your existing sink. The roll-out garbage and recycling frame is available at just $26.99. This ingenious solution easily installs underneath your sink cabinet and will allow you to slide the entire unit in and out for effortless waste disposal. But the benefits extend beyond mere ease of access. The frame allows you to conveniently divide your waste and recycling within the designated bins. These removable bins allow effortless cleaning and management, while the smooth rolling mechanism ensures a seamless experience. It will give you a luxurious, custom feel that elevates your kitchen's functionality and aesthetics. This simple addition eliminates the need for cumbersome loose bins, creating a clean and organized under sink area. So there you have it. Did any of these IKEA gems catch your eye? Share your thoughts and let me know which ones you'd love to try in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more content and hidden gems, and hit that like button if you enjoyed this video.